Hello students, now let us try to understand the mechanical work in the thermodynamics. So mechanical work means what, student? That is the work done by the system, or you are going to do the work on the system. So that is, work is said to be done when the unbalanced force causes some displacement in the direction of the applied force. So that is the, when you are applying the force from the, suppose you are applying the force, there should be some displacement, in the direction of the applied force. So now you see, student, the displacement of the object through a distance dx, okay, against the force F is called the work. Okay, so what they are saying, that is work is equal to, they are saying F into dx. So here is work is equal to F into dx. So W is force and dx is displacement. Of displacement, student, if the movable piston is there, suppose, so the displacement, how can you define, student, displacement? So displacement is equal to area into length. So area into length, so how can you define this one? So displacement is equal to area into length, that is A into L. So W is equal to F into, F into, that is, we can write, that is, you know F force means what, student? Force is equal to, that is pressure. Force is equal to pressure. So we can write, that is P external, and that is A into L. Okay. Now this is measurable in joule, measured in joule, kilo, or kilojoule, or calorie. Now you see, student, what is there? It is calculated as the product of external pressure and change in volume. So that is W is equal to minus P delta V. Why negative sign? Because you are putting the, external pressure. At delta V means V final minus V minus initial. So W is positive when work is done on the system. W is positive when work is done on the system, and W is negative when work is done by the system. Right? Now, uh, uh, area under the curve PV graph, you can see, student, area under the curve PV graph. So here the graph they have given, this is the pressure and this is the volume. So this is the, what is the graph, they are saying, that is area P external delta B. Okay, so what the meaning, student? See, firstly the external pressure you apply here, and then finally the this gas compressed to B1. Initial, this is volume is there Vi, and this is the volume now goes to Vf. Okay, so work done on an ideal gas in cylinder when it is compressed by the constant external pressure P external is single step is equal to shaded area. So this is the, you know this is the work. This is the shaded area is explaining the work done. Okay. So how W is equal to minus P external delta V. This is the work done on the system for the compression of the gas. So dear student, it's very simple when you are going to understand. So what they are saying here, if suppose we are having, this is the movable piston is there, student. Okay, and we are putting the external pressure. So they are saying W is equal to, force into displacement, force into displacement. So how much displacement is there, is student? Force equal to force, force is what? That is pressure per unit area. So so this is equal to, force is equal to, P external pressure. Okay, so that is, here we can write, that is P external. Okay, and displacement is equal to what? That is change in the volume. So W is equal to P external is there, student, so we have to write the negative sign. Okay, because we are applying force from the outside. So W is equal to P external delta V. So this is all about the mechanical works, student. Thank you so much for watching, friends.